With a national after-sales support network that's unmatched within the industry, Bucher Municipal has spare parts, service, warehousing and distribution facilities located in Adelaide, Brisbane, Perth, Sydney, Melbourne and Bendigo.
Wherever you are in Australia, we've got you covered.
Our entire product range is supported by a passionate after-sales support team.
We're here for you, 24/7, 365 days a year.
Operating an extensive fleet of field service vehicles, our technicians can address all service requirements on location, Australia-wide.
Whether it's at your local depot or far north Queensland.
Townsville, we've got you covered.
Our spare parts network is built around national state-of-the-art warehousing facilities carrying over 25,000 line items.
We make sure our customers can get genuine Bucher parts whenever, wherever.
At Bucher Municipal, our nationwide, around-the-clock support is what sets us apart from the competition, giving you the confidence to know that when you're with Bucher,
we go!